Thank you for joining us at xm.com for this Forex Preview video. I'm Cristina Marujos. Joining me today is Senior Investment Analyst Rafi Boyajian. We'll be looking at the Bank of Japan that will announce its policy decision tomorrow. Now, some speculate it will not follow its peers and will probably sit out this easing cycle and not cut rates. Now, do you think we'll see this happening, or should we be on the lookout for any surprises?
So that is the market consensus that the Bank of Japan isn't in any rush for the time being to provide more stimulus because despite the US-China trade war, which has hit the Japanese economy, so far the damage hasn't been too bad. The economy is performing okay. So the Bank of Japan, given its limited ammunition, may not see the urgency to act just yet.
Well, it is almost a given, though, that the Bank of Japan will cut rates by the end of the year. Markets are pricing in a more than 70% probability to that.
So that is right. So markets do think that the Bank of Japan will eventually be forced to act because apart from the global slowing economy due to the US-China trade tensions, and of course we've got the sales tax increase coming that will come into force in October in Japan. The last time that happened back in 2014, the economy slipped into recession. Although this time around, the domestic demand does appear to be more resilient, so we might not see a recession, but it's likely that the economy could still slow down significantly, and all of that could force the BoJ to provide more stimulus before the year is out.
Now, another source of pressure for the Bank of Japan is, of course, a stronger yen. We see its major rivals struggling under the weight of a slowing global economy. Now, what is the outlook after the Bank of Japan meeting for the yen?
So the yen has been on an uptrend since early May. That, of course, isn't very good for Japanese exports. Apart from the trade tensions which have boosted the yen, we do also have the expectation that the Fed will cut interest rates later this month. And then if the ECB follows suit as well in September, that would only increase the upside pressure on the Japanese currency. So the Bank of Japan, of course, does not want that because not only would hurt growth, but it will also weaken inflation even further in Japan. So a stronger yen could be another factor that could force the BoJ to increase stimulus over the coming months.
Rafi, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching us at xm.com.